Do you have photos that look slightly tilted on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? You can fix them using AI. To do so, open a photo in the Gallery app. Tap the photo assist icon at the bottom. Then tap the move icon. Here, you can use the slider to adjust the angle as you want. After that, tap Generate to let your phone use AI to fill in the background. When the result appears, you can tap and hold Show Previews to compare it with the original image. Once you are satisfied, tap Save Copy to save it as a new image. And that's how you straighten photos using AI Photo Assist on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.